Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Hello kids. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a triangle. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color and blue color to color the roof, the top of the house. Blue color. Blue color. Red color. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow to color the wall of the house. Yellow color. Yellow color. Green color. We use purple color to color the door of the house. We use pink color to color the window. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artist. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Mangoes are called the king of fruits. Hello kids. Do you like mango? So let's start. At first, we draw the cutting part. Next, we start the drawing with curve. Of the mango, mangoes are a popular tropical fruit, known for their sweet and juicy flesh, and are widely enjoyed, especially during summer. We draw the leaves. Mangoes come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, with ripe mangoes typically displaying shades of yellow, green, or red. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, providing nutritional benefits alongside their delicious taste. Red color. Mangoes can be consumed fresh, used in various dishes like juices and shakes, or preserved as jams or pickles. Mangoes are a popular tropical fruit, known for their sweet and juicy flesh, and are widely enjoyed, especially during summer. Mangoes come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, with ripe mangoes typically displaying shades of yellow, green, or red. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, providing nutritional benefits alongside their delicious taste. Green color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.